All right, so here I have the ABSLIMUS caster wheel. These are 3 inches. This is a swivel caster wheel. I'm installing them on this table here. I've got one more left to go. Wanted to just show you, give you a review of it. Very, very good. Spins very good, so the bearings inside work well. Here's the brake. So that locks really well. Like, I can't even move that with my hand. Okay, on and off. That's how that works. And I'm just using screws to put it into these legs. Otherwise, let's see here. Otherwise, in the box, this is what you get. You'll get bolts, nuts, and also a wrench as well. Anyway, I'm mounting them just with a screw and a washer. I'll show you right here. Just a screw and a washer driving right up into the leg. So that's what that looks like. But that's going to be rock solid anyway. There's 4 2.5 inch screws going into that base of this leg right here. So anyway, I have 1 left. I've already done 3 of them. I'm going to do 1 more and then I'll show you what it looks like when you roll it. On there solid. Unlock this one. And there we go. We've got a table that moves around. This thing rolls really good. These are the casters. They swivel great when you change directions. Getting them nice and dirty with the sawdust now. But yeah, this thing moves really good. Yep, this is gonna work great. So definitely highly recommend these. You should definitely check these out, and they're nice and heavy duty.